Cut that shit up, KO.
And you can meet me at the hotel in the front, I'm ready to function. She gon' prevail, tryna fuck, I'm ready to function. By that wholesale, got the dope, I'm ready to function. Drippin' propel, they gon' know I'm.
Hi my sweets, welcome back to my channel today. If you are new here, go ahead and think about subscribing. But we are going to get into this wig, honey. We are back with some more Kalyss drip. Yes. Let's see what we working with today, honey. Oh my God, look at the curl pattern on this one, y'all. And this one is soft. Now, if you follow me and you subscribe to my channel, you'll know that I did one previously and the braided hair wasn't all that great. But honey, this one is on point. Now, this cap construction, we got 2 combs up front. We got a comb in the back. And we also have adjustable straps, but we also have the band attached. Now, this is nice and stretchy, and it is big head friendly. I'm just going to give you another shot of that lace area at top. Really pretty, and that goes good with my skin. Now, I'm going to show you this stock card. Now, you know, if you, like I said, you've been following me, they do not name their wigs, honey. But yes, this is super pretty. I'm super excited about this. All right, so now that I got her on my head, just plopping her on, she's beautiful, y'all. Look at them baby hairs, honey. Okay, yes. I love the way that they did the top, the way that they have that braided. That is gorgeous. And just giving you a shot of the ear to ear. The ear to ear is good too. Okay, I'm with it. Come through. Yes, honey. Okay. I like this. And like I said, the hair is so soft and so pretty. It feels like a bundle. It's synthetic, but it feels like a bundle, like seriously. And this is the back, nice and full, no gaps, very pretty. And it's long. It's 28 inches, honey. I am 5'4", which I say I'm 5'6". Ha! And it comes down to my tush, okay? But this is gorgeous, you guys. I'm loving it. Welcome back to my channel today, y'all. And do you see this drip? Yes, honey. Ooh. Hey, sweets. If you are new here, welcome. For my sweets that's been rocking with me, I sure appreciate you. We are back today with another. All right, you guys. So we're here with another Kalyss drip. And if you've been rocking me for a while, you know that they don't name their wigs. Okay, honey. So just rock with me. They don't wigs, but their wigs are fire. I really love their wigs. I really love their braided wigs. I done had maybe 2 that I'm like, But the rest of their wigs, everything that I got is fire. And I'm really loving this one today, you guys. It's so pretty. I didn't think I was going to like it, but I'm actually loving it. All right, so let's get right into it. So this one is called the Kalyss 28-inch full top hand braided 13x5 Swiss lace. And this one had the synthetic curly hair. And so it is beautiful. Now I'm going to put on my little scroll over here, I'm going to put some other pictures for what the mannequin looked like and what it came off the site. But the cap construction, there's 2 combs up front, there's a comb in the back, there's adjustable straps, and you also seen that they included that band, which is great. And this is really tight on my head, honey. This ain't going nowhere, okay? Let me just get a little bit closer and show you them sides. Now, I didn't lay it down because I'm not going nowhere today, but that's how my side is looking, and it's good ear to ear too. And I put my little powder up there at the top. I'll show you this other side. It looks really good. It fits so nice and snug to my head. I really like it. Now the length, like I said, is 28 inches. It's kind of long for me. I'm a shorty. I say I'm 5'6", but I'm really 5'4". Okay. Anywho, but I feel like even if I cut it, I feel like it'll last a little bit longer. just running my fingers through it. I don't want to run my fingers through it too much because I feel like it's going to get really big if I kind of comb those curls out. So I'm trying to not touch it too much. But I might, if it starts getting nappy, I might go in and kind of cut the ends so that way I can keep it just a little bit long. Now, I did a previous wig that was something similar to this, and the braided hair was not that good. I'll leave a card up here and a link to that video so you guys can go watch it. I mean, it may work for somebody, but you know, it's one of them wigs that that I was telling you in the beginning that I just wasn't really feeling. So it may work for you, it just didn't kind of work out for me. But go check it out and let me know. But this one, the braided hair, is what I'm used to seeing when I buy these Kalyss wigs. It's so pretty, it's so soft, and I'm like, okay, I'm like, yeah, this is more of a natural feel. Like I braided it and unbraided it, and then I just kind of let it flow out. It's so pretty, you guys. I'm really loving this one. All right, over here, I'm gonna put to where you can see more of the wig, and I'm gonna get up and more up close and personal with the wig so that you can see it. But I think this one is a very beautiful wig, y'all. Let me know if you go pick it up. For today, my loves, just another quick little drip, quick little slay. I'm trying to be like a man. I'm trying to be in and out. I'll be back with another one soon. I got some beautiful wigs coming, y'all. Just wait. And like I said, if you new, subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. Try me out and check out my channel. Let me know what you think about this wig. Leave me some comments down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.